Hi! In this video I show you a very simple way to kill an enemy with a bullet. Bullet hits an enemy and both of them are destroyed. So here is my project, which is being developed for several videos by this one. Links to those videos are in the description. So in one of those videos my character got an ability to fire bullets. I created my bullet prefab back then. Here it is. This bullet prefab has a script attached. It was a pretty simple one that just destroyed my bullet in 3 seconds. This time I added some extra code into it. It is onTrigger enter 2D method, which is invoked when a bullet meets some collider. When it happens, I check if that game object has enemy script attached. If it has, then I destroy that game object. A bullet is destroyed as well. That's the script. To make this work, I have to add a collider to my enemy prefab. I select the enemy prefab and add a capsule collider to it. I set it as a trigger. So now my enemy has got a collider and he is ready to be killed by a bullet. Let's check it out. I can kill enemies with my handgun now. Also, I can kill a couple of enemies with my shotgun at one shot. Hope you liked this tutorial, thank you for watching and see you next time.